Welcome. In this training mission you will learn how to use the helmet-mounted target designating system of the MiG-29K Fulcrum. The system is also available on the Su-27 and Su-33 flanker aircraft. To take control of the aircraft at any time, press the escape key, or to exit this mission, press the control and Q keys. Thank you. I have control. The helmet target designating system consists of a monocle on the pilot's helmet, represented by a yellow circle, and we get this system by pressing 5 key. Then we can slew the circle around, but there are limits. Once we've exceeded these limits, either to either side or above, we get an X. Once we have the X through the circle, we cannot lock a sensor on or a missile onto the aircraft or the target. There are 2 sensors on each side of the HUD, and they monitor the position of the pilot's helmet, which gives the tracking information to the systems or the missile. Okay, I saw some nav lights up ahead. Looks like we caught someone just taking off from Saki. And there he is in a right turn. We'll engage padlock with the keypad delete. And since we have a lot of closure speed here, we'll form a high yo-yo to reduce our speed as we come in behind him. As you can see, the X means we're past the gimbal limits of the system, and now that we're coming in, we'll lock with the tab key.
Launch authorized.
And with the reticle flashing, we are authorized to launch. If our distance is too close, as it is here, we lose that launch authorization and we have to back off a bit. Off bore sight again is this position. The target is outside of the HUD or outside of the forward view of the missile, looking straight ahead. But with this system, it allows the seeker head of the missile to continue tracking it even off bore sight. Okay, here's a launch, and another thing to learn when launching off bore sight weapons. You have to know which missile rail your missile's going to come off of. If your target's to the left and the missile comes off the right rail, there's a good chance it's not going to hit. Here we have a proper one coming off the left rail, and it looks like a good hit. Target's going down, and I see a shoot. The helmet targeting system is very good with the padlock as well, because now you not only have the aircraft padlocked, but you also have the yellow helmet circle to tell you exactly where it is. When we got someone coming at us right there, I missed him.
Maximum G.
Okay, where is he? Obviously he's shouting at us. Okay, there he is. Okay, probably not a good shot at this time with the closure speed. Let's try to get in a better situation.
Launch authorized.
Okay, got him locked and looked down. And
Maximum
that's a kill.
Angle of attack.
As you can see, the helmet-mounted target designating system is very, very effective in close air combat fighting, because you can get your missile off before he can because of this capability. Off-bore sight capability is a huge advantage, and as of now only the Russian or former Eastern nations are employing this technology. The US and NATO are working on it, but nothing is in production as of yet. Okay, it looks like we got a bear taking off. One more target. Oh, he's shooting too. Very careful of the tail gunners in flanker, as they can be very accurate and deadly if you're too close to them, so we'll just try to keep some distance here. Oh, don't want to get too high. Get through the clouds. We'll try to get back down again. Okay, now we've selected an R-27R radar guided missile, so we're using radar sensors and the helmet to lock on and maintain lock as the missile's on its way. Big kill there. Crew didn't have a chance. Okay, just as a refresher, the helmet targeted system is used for off-bore sight capability. The R-73 is the best missile to use this with, but it can be used with all missiles. You can use the EOS, infrared, and you can optical, and you can use radar sensors and lock them with the helmet system. You turn on the helmet targeting system with the 5 key, and then all other aerial combat keys are the same for locking and firing. I hope this helps you get to grip with this very, very capable and awesome system. This concludes the training mission. To take control of the aircraft, press the escape key, or to exit this mission, press Control and Q. You have control.